have a number of things that are dealing with our baptismal font, with our entrance into the church. For one thing, the actual placement of the baptismal font as being at the entrance of the church, because baptism is the sacrament of entrance into the church. And then the other sacraments that follow: baptism, confirmation, Holy Eucharist, sacraments of initiation, and then you've got the sacraments of healing, reconciliation, and anointing of the sick. And then you have the sacraments of vocation, of commitment to a community in matrimony and holy orders. And then you have the three great theological virtues that bring us into relationship with God: faith, hope, and charity. So that is all part of the entrance into the church. And then the question of the word baptizeo means immersion. If you remove these platelets right here, there is a step down so that a person actually could stand there in a lower position and bend over the baptismal font to be, it's a kind of a semi-immersion in a sense because of the word meaning immersion. And then of course what Pieri designed in the baptismal font, if you look at it as a boat, as an ark, it's based on the first letter of Peter, chapter 3. It says, He was put to death in the flesh, but was brought to life in the Spirit. And it was in the Spirit that he went and proclaimed the good news to the spirits in prison, who in former times had refused obedience, while God waited patiently for the ark to be built in the days of Noah. A few people, 8 souls to be exact, were saved through water. The water of baptism, which corresponds to the flood, now saves you. And so Sue designed the baptismal font to remind us of this ark that Noah built, that is referred to in the first letter of Peter.